Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got another handful of pocket knives to show you. These are all buck knives, and we'll get started with this one. This is a Buck 112, and it's got the two dots there, and that puts it at 1974 through 1980. This one doesn't have the nail nick in it, so that puts it before 1980. You would have the nail nick in the other ones. This is one I've been using a little bit. I sharpened it up and just been throwing it in my pocket. It's a little heavy for my pocket, but so I probably won't use it that much longer, but thought I'd give it a try out. I got a Buck 110, and this is two dots here on the tang. 1981 through 1986, and this one's in halfway decent shape. And then got another Buck 110. This one's pretty beat up, and it's from 1994. It's got the little slash mark on the side of the 110 there. And this one was given to me by That's Pap's Knife 63. I don't know, about 4 or 5 years ago maybe. That's a Buck Lite with a he sent it to the Buck factory, and they put a new Buck 110 blade on it, and the blade is from 2017, so it's a brand new blade on there with the old frame. And then this one is a kind of a rubber handled. It's got the finger groove here. Buck 150, and the C marking there puts it at 1995. I think these were discontinued. Could be wrong, but yeah. Okay, then we have the Buck 301 Stockman here. This one doesn't have the 301 on it, so I think it puts it back made in 1966 through 67. If I'm right on that, I'm not totally 100% sure. It's got the saw cut Delrin there. And then you got kind of a miniature version of that. It's a penknife with a saw cut Delrin, two blades, and this one is the 305. If I can get that there. 305. It's got a coping blade on the other side. Alright, then we get to the these are Swiss bucks, both of these. Contracted from Wenger. Wenger made these for Buck. And this one here is the, let me see here, I have it written down. It is a, where is it? Oh, it's a Taskmate 87501. And then this one is this is the Trekker. Trekker, where is it? Trekker 87537. And these were made in the 90s. Okay, then we got got a fixed blade, and this is the 105, made 1967 through 72. Buck USA. They call it, the handle material is called phenolic resin, if I'm pronouncing that right. Phenolic resin handle. Okay, and then we have the Buck 119, which is in a lot better condition than that last one. And this one's from, and this one is from 2009. Okay. If you look on these Bucks, they're always going to have a stamp on it and that little arrow. If you go on the Buck website, you can find all the time stampings or date stampings for these Buck knives. Some of the older ones get a little tricky, but the newer ones are pretty straightforward. Just that symbol right there for this one puts it at 2009. It's got the what they call that, the blood groove there. Just a nice, really nice knife. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.